fact that you have so many participants and visionary global leaders from around the world is, resonates with me strongly, because I think that this is a great platform that World Media Summit has created for all of us to get together, to really drive discussions, have dialogues, share insights.
Cooperation is good. We're also competitive businesses, so each business has its own interest. But in the end, sharing ideas, and maybe we're going to agree on some rules and some guidelines for using AI, generative AI, in media.
The opportunities to collaborate with other media organizations, for us to look at how we can work together more effectively, particularly global South countries, particularly those of us that need to shape our own narratives. We look forward to working together with all of our fellow global South nations.
The media summit is very useful, very important for us. I think that we all need development, new technologies, high technologies. If we cannot cooperate, if we can't exchange information, we can do nothing.
It's a good opportunity for people from media from all over the world to meet together and discuss together, and it's a big opportunity for all of us to cooperate.
I make a lot of friends through this World Media Summit event, and also I got a lot of new information of the whole industry. It also built up a good platform for us to get engaged with the latest technology experimental in the industry, as well discuss the industry with friends across the world.